guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we're gonna make the juiciest burger you can ever make. For the full list of ingredients you can check in description box. So let's get down to it. We have about 2 pounds medium lean ground beef. So to make it a little bit better, you can go to your local butcher shop and ask for 80% and 20%, which means 80 meat and 20% fat. And then I'm gonna mix it with some APB dry rub from Fat Panda, spicy mix barbecue rub from Fat Panda also, salt, black pepper, garlic, and then chop green onion, Worcestershire sauce, and then I'm gonna bind them with 1 egg. Mix all of them. After you mix it, just put it aside, put it in the fridge or put it in the room temperatures without covering it, and we're gonna leave it for about 30 minutes. While we're waiting, we're gonna make the burger sauce. For the burger sauce, the first thing that you need to do, you wanna make caramelized onion. I know it's more work, but trust me, it's gonna make your burger sauce very tasty. First thing first, you wanna heat up some butter, melt them up. After your butter completely melted, add chopped onion, a little bit of sugar, bit of salt, and then let's create caramelized onion. Alright, so my caramelized onion is done. I'm gonna put it on the side. Now we're gonna move to the base. For the burger sauce, what I have here, 3/4 mayonnaise. I'm gonna mix it with 1 tablespoon spicy mix from Fat Panda barbecue, 3 tablespoons sriracha. This is very optional. If you don't like sriracha, you don't like spicy food, you can skip this. 3 tablespoons ketchup, one tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, finely chopped green onion, caramelized onion that we just make, and we're gonna make chopped pickles. I'm gonna chop some pickles over there. Finely chopped. After you finally fine chop the pickle, just add it to your sauce. A little bit of black pepper, a little bit of salt, and let's mix them all. Mix them nicely. Give it a little taste. For me, it's perfect. And burger sauce is ready. Now I'm gonna make a grilled onion for my topping. So what you want to do, if you want to do this, but absolutely this is optional. If you don't like it, you don't have to. So first thing first, I'm gonna coat my pan with a little bit of oil, and then I'm gonna put my onion, and we're gonna grill them. I'm gonna flip them, and then I'm gonna add some butter to give a little bit of flavor on your grilled onion. Alright, so my grilled onion is done. Turn off the heat and then transfer it to a plate. And now we're gonna move to the beef patty. So beef patty, after 30 minutes, we're gonna create like a ball. So be generous with the beef patty, because when you grill it or when you fry it, it's gonna shrink. So this is what it looks like approximately. So alright, so everything done. So about 2 pounds of meat, I can create about 8 patty. So if you want to make more, just make more. If you want to make less, you just make less. But this is the patty looks like. I know it's a big one, but remember when you fry them or when you grill them, it's gonna shrink. For the bun, the one that we use is Kaiser roll, and we bought it pre-made because, to be honest, I'm not really good at baking. So right here I have melted butter. First thing first, you want to heat up your frying pan. Put it on a medium heat, and then you want to add the melted butter into your bun. We're gonna toast them. Make sure you toast your bun because it's gonna mix everything taste better. We're gonna toast it at the medium-low heat. So it's completely toast. I'm gonna put it aside. And we're gonna make the assemble with the beef patty. Beef patty. So first thing, coat your frying pan with oil. Turn on the heat. Want to make sure it's going to be on medium heat or medium low. We're going to wait until the pan start heating up. When it start heating up, take out your patty, put it in, and then press it down. And we're gonna fry it for about 5 minutes each. So it's really depend on you. If you like medium or medium rare, you can fry it for about 2 minutes or 3 minutes each side. But if you're a little bit more medium well, you can fry this or cook this for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes up, just flip your patty. And we're gonna wait for about another 5 minutes. And we're gonna put cheese on top. Alright guys, so it's about 2 minutes in. We're gonna use the cheese. The cheese that I use is a Gouda. So just put it on top and we're gonna cook it until it melts and then it's done. When you see the cheese start melting, at this point, just turn off the heat. Transfer it to a plate. And then now, we're gonna start to assemble them. Alright, so for assemble, take out your bun, toasted bun, add plenty of sauce. Both sides. Add your salad of preference. The one that I use over here is arugula. You don't have to get what I have. You can use iceberg or romaine. It's completely up to you which ones you like the most. Tomatoes, and then I'm gonna go with the patty. Grilled onion, pickle, top it off. And you got the juiciest burger. So, if you guys like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.